Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. The other day, somebody posted a question on Facebook about a hotkey for the Weld key. I don't think it's that big a deal because your Weld key's right there. And when you have now, the only time it might be helpful, let's make a bunch of these. I wonder if we could weld them all at the same time. Yep. So this isn't going to be that big a deal. But if you had pieces in between there. So we're going to make a hotkey. It's one of the easiest things you make a hotkey for. We're going to go to Tools, Options, Customization. And right here, we're going to type in Weld. Now, you want to use the one that just says Weld and not Weld Target. There's no shortcut for it, so go to Shortcut and add a new shortcut. We're going to call it W. It's not assigned anything, which is great. So I'm going to go Assign and OK. Now, let's just say we want to weld that and weld that one. It would help you instead of having to go, to all the other, let's just make a bunch of them, to all the, move your hand and your eyes up to this weld. Because you could weld all these at one time. But if you wanted to weld that one, I'm going to hit the W, get this one, hit the W, get this one, hit the W, and leave some of them. So it might be a pretty good hotkey. I wouldn't think so because, if you wanted them all welded, you can just go right here and weld. And now they're all welded. Now, he asked the question, where is the hotkey for the weld? Well, there's no hotkey for weld, but now I have one. But if you go right here to hotkeys and view all, it's going to give you a list of all the hotkeys. And even the one I just put in there is going to be in there. So if you can actually print this out, export it, and print it. And this is what I used to do at first. I'd go through here and print it out and just try, different things. I don't know where the weld, well, it would be down on the weld, I would guess. Let's see. Let's just see. Yep. See, I just added that W. And what the weld tool does is combine two objects to a single curve. But you can find out what F or Shift F4, Shift F2, F4, which is a magnificent tool. If you ever draw and you've got something on the edge of the page that you forgot about, let's put, I welded them all together. Now that's a disadvantage because I welded them all together. And so the previous way I did it was pretty cool, just by hitting the W key, and it only welded that one, and these aren't a group anymore. But let's say you're drawing and you put something way over there and you forgot about it, and you got these all arranged. This is what the F4 key is for. Let me just put them like so I've been drawing and I forgot about that one way over here. Well, you hit the F4 key and it shows you everything on or off your page. So it's a very useful tool. It won't really affect you when you're laser engraving. The only disadvantage is when you're going to send a file to somebody that's going to be on their file. And one is making the file larger. This on a plasma cutter is terrible because anything on or off the page, the plasma cutter is going to go try to cut. And that can really wreak havoc. Anyway, I hope that helped that person a little bit. Thank you for watching.